This video explains how to use the 5-ring gas burner at the Oaklands. So you'll find that you have your dials here. So this one corresponds to the middle. You have this one, it's got that circle there. So that's top left, bottom right and top right. To use these, you just push down, that starts the igniter, turn counterclockwise, and then you'll find the numbers correspond to how much heat. So 9 being the highest, 1 being the lowest. You just turn this round to whatever heat you wish to have, and then turn it around. Once you've finished, please turn all the dials to the 12 o'clock position so that the gas is off and it's all safe. If you find that the igniter doesn't come on, then please check this main power switch here. If that's on, it should be on. If you spill anything on here, please use a soft cloth. Never use anything abrasive such as a scourer. We only provide soft cloths, and this will ensure that this hob is kept nice and clean and without any damage. Thank you.